Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see the detailed unboxing and working of this ASUS laptop, which is ASUS ExpertBook P1, which comes with the Intel core processor of i3 13th generation. The model is 1315U, which is a 16 GB and 512 GB RAM. To be precise, the specific model is P1503 CVA and S71074WS, thin and light laptop, and this is a 15.6-inch laptop. Okay, this is the adapter which is provided within the box, which is very compatible. Okay, very easy to carry. Okay, yeah, there is some paper documentation here, and the laptop which the user wants to take is the gray one. Okay, gray color, and the user got this laptop for around 47,000. Okay, 47,000, which is 16 GB of RAM. See here, I just want to show you the total details. This is where he purchased. So on Flipkart, the user has bought this for 48,000 actually, but the final price the user got this for like 39,000, because he has kept his old laptop as the exchange offer, as there is a exchange and card offers are available. So with that, the user has purchased this for 39k and 16.5-inch, and the processor name is Core i3 SSD type, 16 GB RAM. The only thing is cache is 10 MB. It would be better if it is 16 MB at least. Okay, the clock speed is 4.5 GHz, and there is a processor which is Intel processor only, Intel UHD processor, and also it is mentioned in the details like it is smooth for even gaming on this laptop, and also if you want to do the video editing also, this can deliver some smooth video editing and smooth gaming performance. But anyway, once the user uses this for both for gaming and for video editing, I'll be doing another video on that. So let us first just see the overall look. So this is the overall look of this laptop, which is looking pretty decent. Okay, the keyboard also HDMI and adjuster. Okay, yeah, maybe that is the fingerprint on the touchpad. We need to check Intel Core i3. Okay, numerical keyboard. Overall, the build quality is looking pretty good. The user has totally satisfied with the build quality. Okay, and the thickness or the laptop thickness is also very slim laptop. Okay, that is the one thing the user has expressed when he opened this box for the first time. One of the main requirement of this user who purchased this laptop is he wants to carry this laptop daily to the office. Okay, ASUS ExpertBook. Okay, just let us see. Okay, air ventilation. This is the back side of the laptop. I'll just show you the thickness of the laptop, so those who want to carry regularly to colleges or office or something, this would be one of the good choice. Okay, these are the battery details or something like that. Yes, yeah. After this, I'll be just turning on this laptop for the first time. Yeah, slim laptop only, and to take the lid also, there is perfect grip, and USB type C, HDMI, and pen drive port is there, and this is LAN cable, and this is for memory card slot. Each and every slots are available in this laptop. Okay, all the slots are available, even type C also. Okay, so let us just turn on this laptop for the first time. After that, I'll go to my PC and show you the system properties about the 16 GB RAM and the Intel graphic card and everything. This is the initial boot up. ASUS in search of incredible. Okay, there is an initial setup, just we are skipping all those setup. Okay, this is the startup. This comes with MS Office. If you are a student who wants MS Excel, MS Word and such, This comes with MS Word, remember that. Okay, no need to purchase separately. And this is system and about section. Processor is 13 Gen Intel Core i3 and 512 GB SSD, and ASUS ExpertBook P1 CVA. Okay, processor, RAM installed, these are all the details. Okay, if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments. Anyway, we're going to do a separate video on the performance of this laptop. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.